Dear students, welcome back to maths class. Today we have to discuss two sides and an angle. Okay, all of you listen. Okay, in the last class we have discussed, given the length of three sides of a triangle, we can draw the triangle. Now, what if two sides and the angle made by them are given? Can you draw the triangle? Yes, try. Yes, listen. The length of two sides are 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters, and the angle made by them is 40 degree. Okay, the lengths of two sides are 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters, and the angle made by them is 40 degree. Yes, just to draw this triangle. Can you draw? Yes, we can draw in different positions. Okay, all of you listen. Five centimeter, 7 centimeter and 40 degree. Okay, one triangle. The next, five centimeter, 7 centimeter and 40 degree. Okay, can you draw in another way? Yes, let us take the bottom side as 7 centimeter and the second side 5 centimeter. The angle between these two sides is 40 degree. Okay. Here 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 40 degree. The next, let us draw this bottom side as 7 centimeter and the right side angle between these two sides is 40 degree. Here 5 centimeter and join the third side. Okay. Okay. Yes, here we drew 4 triangles. Two sides you have given 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Then angle between them 40 degree. Okay, all these triangles, two sides are equal and also the angle made by them are also equal. Then what about the other sides and the other angles of these triangles? Are they equal? The other side and the other angles. What's your opinion? Are they equal? Yes. If we cut out one triangle and put over the triangles one over the other. The sides and angles of these triangles coincide. Okay, so we can say that the third side and the other two angles are also equal. Okay, yes. Now all of you listen to this page. Here there are 7 triangles. Here the sides are 9 centimeter and 7 centimeter and the angle made by them 60 degree. Okay, in all these triangles the sides are 9 centimeters and 7 centimeters. The angle between them 60 degree. Okay, then let us cut out from this sheet these triangles. Okay, all of you listen. If we put all these triangles one over the other, what can you see? Okay, what we get? All these triangles are equal. Okay, or the sides and angles of all these triangles are coincide. Yes. Now we can find out the pair of matching angles of the given triangles. Okay, so what we get from this? If two sides of a triangle and the angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle and the angle made by them, then the sides of the triangle are also equal. The other two angles are also equal. Okay, yes. Listen, see these triangles. First triangle ABC with AB 8 centimeter, AC 4 centimeter and angle A 50 degree. Then next triangle PQR with PQ 4 centimeter, QR 8 centimeter and angle Q 50 degree. Okay, in these triangles the side AB and AC and the angle made by them, that is angle A, in triangle ABC, and the sides QR and PQ and the angle made by them, that is angle Q, are equal in triangle PQR and in triangle ABC. Okay, by our result what we get? The third side of both the triangles and the other angles are also equal. Okay, now we have to find out the equal angles from these two triangles. Okay, so we have AB equals QR equals 8 centimeter or AB equals QR. What is next? AC equals PQ. AC equals PQ equals 4 centimeter. And next angle A equals angle Q equals 50 degree. Okay. From this we got BC equals PR. How? By our result, if two sides and the angle made by them of a triangle are equal to the two sides and the angle made by them of another triangle, then the third side and the other two angles are equal. Okay. So we have given two sides. So the third sides BC and PR are equal. The next we have to find out the other two angles. Angle A is 50 degree. Okay. Now, can you say what is equal angle of angle B in triangle PQRL? Angle B is opposite to the side AC. Then AC equals PQ. Then angle R is opposite to the side PQ. So angle B is equal to angle R. Okay. Angle B equals angle R. Why? AC equals PQ. The next angle C. Angle C is opposite to the side AB. Angle C is opposite to the side AB. Then AB equals QR. So angle P is equal to angle C, or angle C equals angle P. What is the reason? AB equals QR. These are the opposite angles of the sides AB and QR. Okay. Any doubt? Can you understand? Yes. All of you listen to the question. In each pair of triangles below, find the pairs of matching angles and write them down. Okay. First pair, triangle PQR with PQ equals 7 centimeters and QR equals 3 centimeters and the angle made by them 40 degree. Here triangle ABC and the sides AC is 7 centimeter, AB is 3 centimeter. Angle between them 40 degree. Okay. What is the question? Find the pairs of matching angles. Okay. We know that if two sides and the angle made by them of two triangles are equal, then the third side and the other two angles also equal. So from these two triangles we can say that the sides PR and BC also equal. Now we have to find out the pair of matching angles. Can you say? We have given angle Q and angle A 40 degree. Angle Q equals angle A equals 40 degree. Okay. Then what about the other two angles? Angle P. Angle P is equal to angle C. Angle P equals angle C. Why? QR and AB are equal. QR equals 3 centimeter, AB equals 3 centimeter. Angle P is opposite to the side QR. Angle C is opposite to the side AB. Okay. We have QR equals AB. Okay. The next, what about third angles? Angle R. Angle R equals, angle R is opposite to the side PQ, that is 7 centimeter. Here PQ is same as AC. So angle R is equal to angle B. Listen. PQ equals AC. Okay. Can you understand? Okay. Now let us go to our second question. First triangle LMN and triangle XYZ. You have given angle L 60 degree and angle Z is also 60 degree. Angle L equals angle Z. Okay. The next angle M equals angle M. Angle M is opposite to the side LN. LN. Okay. Here LN equals XZ. So we can write angle M equals angle Y. The next angle N. Angle N is opposite to the side LM. Here angle X is opposite to the side ZY. Angle X. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Can you understand how to find the pairs of matching angles from the given pairs of triangles? Are you sure? Yes? Okay. All of you listen. Our next question. In the figure below, AC and BE are parallel lines or parallel. First part, are the lengths of BC and DE equal? Y. Second, are BC and DE parallel? Y. Okay. First question, are the lengths of BC and DE equal? Y. Second question, are BC and DE parallel? Y. How can we find out these two answers? First part and second part. Any idea? You just think or just to remember our last result. What is the last result? In these two triangles we have given two sides, but there is no angle included the given sides or angle made by the given sides. Okay, but how to find out the angle made by the given sides from triangle ABC and triangle BDE? Yes, you have given the sides AC and BE are parallel. Okay, AC and BE are parallel. So we get angle CAB and angle EBD are equal. Okay, why? We can write angle CAB equals angle EBD. Can you say the reason? We have given AC and BE are parallel. Okay, then we can write angle CAB and angle EBD are equal. What is the reason? Yes, you have studied in your 7th standard. Yes, these are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles made by the line AD and meeting the pair of lines AC and BE. Okay, now what we get is the two sides and the angle made by them in triangle ABC are equal to the two sides and the angle made by them in triangle BDE are equal. Okay, so from our result we can say that the third sides and the other two angles are also equal. That is, we can write BC equals DE. Okay, BC equals DE. This is our first part of the question. Next, Next, second part. What is the second part? Are BC and DE parallel? From this, we can write angle ABC. Angle ABC equals angle ABC is opposite to the side AC. Okay. Similarly, angle BDE is opposite to the side BE. AC is equal to BE. Okay. Angle ABC is equal to angle BDE. Yes. Okay, what can we say from these angles? Angle ABC and angle BDE. Yes, they are also the corresponding angles formed by the line AD and meeting the pair of lines BC and DE. Okay. By our last year result, we can say that the lines BC and DE are parallel. The lines BC and DE are parallel. Why? From this, the corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Okay, students. Today we discussed two sides and an angle. Okay. Today's class is over. Thank you.